Hello, children. Welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art. The topic of today is printing. Printing. Printing is a process of reproducing text and images on a desired surface. Printing is a process of reproducing text and images on a desired surface. Types of printing. There are two types of printing making, namely leaf printing. 2. Thumb printing. There are two types of print making. Number 1. Leaf printing and thumb printing. Leaf printing is the process of printing or making leaf design on another surface. Leaf printing is a process of printing or making leaf designs on another surface. This is done by putting ink or dye on leaf and place on another surface or paper. Meaning of thumb printing. Thumb printing is the process of making thumb design with human thumb on a surface or paper or cardboard. This is done by putting ink or dye on thumb and place on another surface, paper or cardboard. Suitable leaf use in printing. 1. Fresh leaf with hand veins. 2. Beautifully shaped leaves of various sizes. Making print with leaves. How can we make print with leaves? Number 1. Apply a color to fresh leaves with hand veins. Number 2. Carefully place the leaf with color on cardboard or paper. Making print with thumbs. How can we make print with thumbs? Apply color on the thumb. Number 2. Gently place your thumb on cardboard or paper. I hope you have enjoyed the class. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.